Strongly bearish UPC is up 89.56%. This is Wednesday, the 8th of October 2025, pre-market session. Intraday high $15.39. Okay, before we go on, you need to be very careful about this stock. It is incorporated in one of those jurisdictions that rock pullers try to manipulate. Yeah, it's one of those stocks. It's a stock from one of those jurisdictions that rock pullers pursue to manipulate. So you need to be very careful. You can see it's been printing higher prices. This is its daily chart. Higher prices since the 22nd of August. That's when the trend began and still very much in effect. Even the extrapolation is saying that it will. It's actually predicting what is going on right now, and it's actually saying that it's going to remain in place up till the 15th. But I'm saying just be careful. It has run up. It has printed over 1 month of gains going into the second month. Expect a rock pull to happen. So the stock is currently trending as retail traders and momentum investors zero in on its low float, high cash reserves, and undervalued market cap, sparking speculation of a potential breakout, which seemed to be happening. The stock is drawing increased attention in trading communities, where many are comparing it to other recent low float runners that have experienced sharp, rapid price spikes. A major point of discussion is that high cash per share ratio that it has, which some traders see as a built-in flaw that could limit downside risk, maybe in the form of dilutions. But regardless, if even if the company has its own funds, it has enough cash reserves, rug pullers don't care about that. They're going to come and pull the rug on this. So expect that to happen. So many are watching closely for potential news events, including speculation around strategic moves or ventures into hot sectors like crypto that could ignite significant momentum. So market participants are also highlighting the low market cap relative to its cash position, seeing it as a possible indicator of undervaluation. This setup has historically been associated with explosive runs in similar low float biotech and microcap stocks, fueling anticipation that UPC could be the next mover. Technical traders are monitoring volume spikes, breakout levels, and momentum indicators, while speculative investors are positioning early in hopes of a short squeeze or parabolic price action. Although not confirmed, catalyst has surfaced. No catalyst has surfaced as of now. However, the combination of low float, strong balance sheet, and speculative bars are enough catalysts. They are enough catalysts, whether you think they are positive or not. You know. So let's see what's going on. We had just erased the price pressure momentum there and moved it up, I think. So I'm going to move it down and reapply the price pressure momentum too. So this is not active at the moment. This daily chart is not active at the moment. So we'll go to the 4 hour chart so you can clearly see what's going on. So I would caution that you expect a rock pull to happen. So this current angle of attack is expected to be sustained up till midday today, the 8th of October. Then after that, it may begin to contract the expansion, but with a bullish slant going all the way towards Friday, the 17th of October. Upper projections none to the upside at the moment. We have 44.79, 4.05, 3.58. All of them are downward projections. So we do have an upper projection here in the form of a rejection intraday high of 15.39. So what we can do is see whether we can get any validation of that by looking at the 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have here on the 5 minute chart. 6.18 is a downward projection. 6.18. We want to see anything close to that. 50. What do we have there? $15. 15.39. Want to see anything, any projection to that sort of level. Okay, none of that on this 5 minute chart. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. Yeah, we have 14.84, quite close. Yeah, so 5.7, it's there. That's a downward projection. Okay, this is the 3 minute chart. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Yeah, 14.03 as well. So yeah, if you like a validation of that rejection. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, what do we have here? Yeah, this is more like it. 14.86, 17.27, 18.76. Yeah, this is what I mean. However, there are also downward projections. We have 7.46, 8.61, 10.46. So be careful. A rock pull is highly likely to happen. They are like highly likely to do a rock pull on the stock. Just be really careful. Let's see how aggressive they are on the other books. Okay, it's looking quite thin, indicating that there's a good chance we are aggression may be behind what we are dealing with right now. Let's see the volume of this session: 6.535 million shares so far. 6.535 so far. Earlier on, did we have anything? Okay, 7 points. So yeah, 6.542. Yeah, it looks like doesn't look like a huge amount of shares behind a gain of 88.39%. So aggression most certain is there. Volume is not very well. Some might argue it's still the post pre-market session that it's quite high, but I would say even it should be higher than that. It should be higher than 6.54 million. So yeah, should be greater than that. So surely, aggression is behind what we're looking at right now. It doesn't matter, even if the fact that we have a gain of up to 100%, we have already seen an intraday high of 15.39. It went from 5.17 to 15.39. You don't need to ask any questions about that. This surely aggression is involved. Aggression is most certainly involved, or aggression is behind this gain he has printed. So just be careful. Rock pool is likely. The rock pool is likely. So thank you very much for watching this video.